Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to start selling digital products online, how to sell ebooks online. So the platform I'll be talking about is Selar. So let's get started. Selar is a Africa platform, is the number one digital selling Africa platform, and it also has an affiliate marketing program. So the affiliate marketing program helps affiliate marketers to promote your product. So which means when you list your product on seller, affiliate marketers will have access to your product and they will promote your product for free. So you are the one who is gonna set the percentage commission you want your affiliate marketers to get. So in this video, take you guys through how to get an ebooks, how to create an ebooks which you can sell on seller, how to list your product on seller, how to add it to the digital marketing marketplace, and how to give these digital affiliate marketers access to your product, which means they are gonna have access to promote your product anytime, anyway. So let's get
So
started.
this is how to create seller creator account. You come to your browser, whether Google Chrome, and then you go to seller.co. So let me show you guys my dashboard, how much I made from seller selling ebooks online within 1 month. Before I show you guys how to create the account. So as you can see that I made 7 sales. This is the 7 sales I made. So all products like 1 sales this month. So when I show you all my sales, so this is a data showing all my sales. I made those sales and I've made 5,000 naira total involved. And this is the contact of all my customers. So as you can see, so let me show you my store, what my website actually look like, and the kind of product I sell on my store. So as you can see, the title of my store is Pack Novels, and you can see I also sell digital products, novels, and guides and travel guides with courses. So let's get started on how to create your account. When you get to the seller interface, this is what you're gonna see. So you can just create account by using your Gmail address, your X Twitter account, or your Facebook account. So I'm going to use my Gmail account. So click on the Google Gmail icon, then to take you to an interface where it's gonna ask you to log in your Gmail address, which you're going to use to set up an account, as you can see. So I'm going to choose one of my Gmail address. But if you don't have your Gmail address logged in already, it's gonna ask you to enter your Gmail address and password to log in the details. So then, as you can see, how do you plan to use Seller today? Don't worry, you can switch between profiles anytime. So as I said, that Seller has a creator account and affiliate marketing account. But in this video, we are only talking about creator account. So you click on I'm a creator, I want to sell my product or service on Seller. Then you click on continue as a creator. So says you don't have any product yet, welcome to Seller, your simple e-commerce tools to sell your content, product, and services across borders. So it says add bank details. So you click on add bank details. That's where you're going to add your bank details. So let's see. But Gambia is not actually part of the countries. So I will just ask you to choose Nigeria. Then you search for your bank name, then you enter your bank number, account number. So let me get my bank account number. Okay, so this is my bank account number. Some of you may be wondering that what is the name of this, what am I using this app for? This app called Gree that I went to get my account number. That's the app I used to get a free Nigeria account in the Gambia. So Go is the one that gives me the free Nigeria account in the Gambia. So I'm gonna make a video on that some other time, how to create great account. So you can also get a free Nigeria account while you're in Gambia, and it also give a free US account and Europe account and United Kingdom account. So once you paste in your account number, you click on verify account detail. So as you can see, it has actually been verified. You click on continue, then you click on OK. So it says your email address is not verified. Check it. So it says add product. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to also add product.